Understanding the last part. A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to delve into a common English phrase, the last part. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage is crucial for mastering English. So, let's get started. The last part refers to the final segment or portion of something. It can be used in different scenarios, such as describing the final chapter of a book, the last scene in a movie, or the concluding part of an event. This phrase highlights the sequence and completion of something. To better understand the last part, let's look at some examples. 1. In the sentence, I enjoyed the movie, especially the last part. It implies that the final segment of the movie was particularly enjoyable. 2. The last part of the race is the most challenging. Here, it refers to the final stretch or segment of the race. Similar phrases include the final stage, the concluding section, and the end part. Each of these can be used interchangeably with the last part, but might carry slight nuances depending on the context. A common mistake is confusing the last part with the past. The former refers to a segment of something, while the latter refers to events that have already happened. Context usually clarifies the meaning. Thank you for joining us in exploring the last part. We hope this video has been informative and helps you use this phrase confidently in your conversations and writings. Stay tuned for more English language tips and tricks.